So you have a Fitbit Charge 6 and you have an issue where the screen does not turn on. Even though you know the tracker or watch is on, maybe you can feel vibrations coming in. Or another way to check to see if your watch is actually on is you can go ahead and use your charger, and as soon as you plug it in, you should feel it vibrate. Okay, now take note that my screen here is working, but we're going to pretend I have a black screen. I got 2 easy fixes for you, and if you guys do both of these, I'm going to say at least 85% of you guys will have a working screen. Okay, so the first way is to try to change the clock face. Okay, so pretend my screen here is black. What you want to do is go to your Fitbit. Hopefully you're connected. From here, top left hand side right there, you want to tap on that icon. Then you want to tap on your Charge 6. Then you want to tap on Gallery. And then from here, we're going to tap on Clocks right there. And now choose another clock face, okay? I'll just go with that one here. Oops, that's the one I already have. Let me go back. How about this one here? And I'll tap on Install. And just give it a little bit, like maybe like 15 seconds or so. See a progress bar right there. We should see a progress bar on here, but we're going to pretend my screen here is black. Now I see something turning on here. Now you may see this, you may not. Okay, a lot of times what will happen is you change the clock face, you won't see the screen turn on the clock face until actually it's done installing. Okay, so let's just wait here. You get a status bar there and over here as well. And let's just wait. Okay, looks like it's almost done. Okay, you just vibrated twice. Now go to your tracker and see if your screen is on. Okay, if it's still black or you couldn't do this step because it wasn't connected, no problem. We're going to go to the next step here. Okay, so this next step what we have to do is we have to go ahead and use our cable. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to restart it using the cable. Now if you look at the cable where the USB-A is, there's a little round button right there. Okay, so what we have to do is we're going to go ahead and connect our watch here. Make sure you connect it, make sure it vibrates. Pretend mine here is still a black screen. And now what we have to do is we need to press this 3 times in one. You have to wait 1 second each time, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and do this together. Sometimes it takes me a few times to get it right, okay? Pretend my screen is black. Here's the button, okay? We'll do it together, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, it vibrated. 2, vibrated. 3, it didn't vibrate that time. Let me do it again. Nope, I need 3 vibrations. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, ready? 1, vibrate. 2, vibrate. 3, vibrate. Okay, and then we see a Fitbit logo. And give it 1 second, it's going to boot up. You guys may, you know, a lot of you guys think your cable's not working or the button's not working. You have to get it like perfectly. Wait 1 second. My other one, I had to kind of like hold it down 1 second, then let go, hold it down 1 second. Anyway, once it boots back up, tap the button here and you should be up and running now. However, if you still have a black screen, guys, try the 2 steps again, okay? Try it 2 times, 3 times, no go. Try it 4 or 5 times, okay? Anyway, good luck.